friends! Today we are going to be making a giant Valentine's Day coupon card that's definitely Insta-Worthy and a perfect last-minute Valentine's gift for your Valentine. I am doing mine based off of a card I picked up from Dollar Tree. I do want to say that you should probably structure your coupons around the relationship you have with who you're giving your Valentine to, because maybe giving a 20-minute back rub to your crush is a little weird, or maybe it's not, you know, whatever. Everybody's relationship works differently, but you will need a poster board, and I found it helpful to get the one that has a light grid on it, Sharpies in Valentine's Day colors, and I also have a bronze one. Scotch tape, although I wound up using hot glue and realizing Scotch tape was kind of pointless, so I guess up to personal preference, but I would recommend hot glue. I also have no idea how I forgot to include this, but scissors. You're definitely going to need scissors. Any pizzazz you would like to give your coupons, like gems, stickers, or even lipstick to kiss your coupons. And construction paper, I chose mine in red, pink, pastel pink, and white. So first things first, we are going to be folding our giant poster board in half. It should look like this when folded. Then, taking our Sharpie, we will be finding the center of our card using the grid, and we will be drawing a dashed line. You can also use these little squares to help you even out your dashes, and we're just, in a way, splitting the card right down the middle. Next, using the grid as a guide, we will be making a banner of red or whatever color you'd prefer using the construction paper, and we'll make it about 4 squares thick. I then used an obnoxious amount of tape to adhere this banner of sorts in line with the grid. Again, I recommend using hot glue. This was really obnoxious, but if you prefer tape, go ahead and use tape. We are then going to be finishing up the little dashed border for our coupons. This is just so your Valentine has a guideline of where to cut if they do want to redeem their coupons, which I don't know why they wouldn't, because you're going to be giving them some great deals. We are then going to be divvying up each half into 4 sections, where you can have 8 coupons total. Go ahead and start adding pizzazz to your card. I wound up getting these little heart-shaped stickers. Apparently they were both 2 big sticker decals, and I didn't know that, and I tore them apart like the monster I am. If you are also a monster like myself, you will definitely need hot glue to adhere these 3D stickers to your card, because they now no longer have their sticky. Using the grid, measure out the size of your coupons. Depending on how you have them spaced out, one section might be bigger than another. Use different colors of construction paper for your coupons. You don't want them to all be red or pink and boring, right? Or maybe you do. I'm just giving helpful hints, but if they're not helpful, I'll just stop talking. Once you have all your coupons cut out, we are going to be cutting the corners off to make them more ticket or coupon-like. And once you're finished with that step, you are just going to be decorating your coupons and writing down the rewards you want to give your Valentine. Hot glue or tape all your coupons to their sections, and then we are just going to be adding a title to our banner. I wrote down Valentine ... but maybe you could write your Valentine's name, whatever you'd like to do. This is all totally up to you and your relationship with your Valentine. Alright Pixies, be sure to use the hashtag I included with this video, especially if you debut this to your special someone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful Valentine's Day. I'll see you next time on my channel. Bye!